scared, Angela. I'm so scared right now.
Isn't this the man that you want to spend the rest of your life with?
The rest of my life, girl. That's an understatement. I don't know what I would do without that man.
Then you need to do what's right.
I don't know if I can.
Of course you can. Believe me. I know what it feels like to be holding on to something forever, but once you let it out, you'll feel 1,000 pounds lighter. And if Jamal really loves you, he'll forgive you. And most importantly, he'll care for you. You can do it. Let me go get you a snack.